Mackinac Island Historic Guidebook, a little publication put out by the Mackinac Island Historic State Park Commission. It is a 70-page little booklet that contains maps of the island, bicycle routes and walking routes, points out historical facts and monuments of the island, and it sells for $2.
Cloudy, but I hope you guys can take a look.
Hello everyone, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks for asking. My name is Billy, I'm your tour guide for the first part of your tour. And as you can hear, I have an accent. That's because I'm from Romania. Yeah, I got here 1 month ago. But don't worry guys, you are in good hands. To the right we have the police station. Every summer we have 6 to 8 officers. Here to the right we have the little stone church. It was built in 1904.
This is where you come after the first half of the carriage ride. Here's in here.